going to the wedding of my elementary classmate and now we are staying here in front of the hospital kasi wala tayong sasakyan. So, we're looking for a taxi. Woo! St. Joseph Parish, ganun.
Lord, hear our prayer.
Lord, hear our prayer.
One, two, three.
Anong masasabi mo sa ating kaibigan? Congratulations! Congratulations! Iba yung ano ang gamay nga pagtingin. Ay, sorry. Nagalimpas ako. No, sorry. Congratulations! Mahibig ka na? Ay, kaya mo na. Julian, pag malipatan mo kami, hindi na kami mapakita si mo karon, pero makaon lang kami. Pero hindi kami mapakita. Nangaking. Ay, sorry. Kay Julian.
Siyempre, dapat namin ang pagka-husband and wife eh.
Wow, grabe. Nice seeing you again. At umiga to? Hello, tita! Congratulations! Ano mo nga huling bilin kay Julian?
Makabaat lang.
Oh, yay! Congratulations! Guess the jar of chocolate. Sige na. Wala akong magawa sa buhay ko. Kung mag-guess mo na kung pila ka bilog ang chocolate dira sa jar, ato na. So, here's the jar. Thank you. Alright, it's done. Ako na yung nanalo. 8. 11. 88. Oh. Sorry. Ade, ma-focus pa na. Goodbye, guys. 93. Ako, by wild guess, 88. By computation, wow. 107. So, final answer. I'll go for 98. That's the average of 88 and 107. Diba? Actually, 97.5. Kinagat ni Julian yung isa. Mine is 98. Ay, name. The front. Ay, diba? Sorry po. Lucky number. Okay, guess the number. 98. Name. Okay, so final answer, that's 98. Oh, tapos 99. Oh. Thank you so much. Tapos 107. Okay, thank you. Ay! Maraming salamat.
Congrats, Docs!
Congratulations, Doc. Best wishes.
Hi, Jules and Wendell. Congratulations.
Congrats, Kuya. Congrats.
Hello, Julian and Wendell. Congratulations on best wishes.
What's your name? What's your name?
Anong tawag kay Mami na? So, banga bata na. Sino, Mami? Kaya, makubang daw ni Mami mo, ha?
Oh, hindi pa palakton.
Nagpilo kayo, no? Nagpilo kayo. Parang nagpilo ang gown. Sige lang kaya doon.
Anong message mo kay Mami? Gwapa-gwapa, Mami. Gwapa-gwapa, Mami. Uy, hindi mag... Chiyo! Ano yung message kay Mami? Rar, rar, rar. Okay. Ito si Mami Liza. Ano yung message, Mami?
Congratulations, Nini and Wendell and best wishes.
Sumasayaw yung Mega! Memorize!
All right, I get a round of applause for that. And that should be sealed with a block. So make that sound here. Cheers!
Cheers! Grabe yan. Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindutan ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!